Welcome back to the channel. What if I told you this camper doesn't need fuel, doesn't roar to life, and doesn't even look like it belongs on the same planet as petrol vans? Because this tiny machine right here looks less like a camper and more like a quiet rebellion on wheels. And once you notice what it's riding on, everything changes. At first glance, it feels almost unreal. A full camper body sitting on what looks like a sturdy electric tricycle. One wheel at the front, two at the back, and a clean, compact cabin perched above. It's parked calmly in nature, as if it belongs there, not invading it. Look closer and the story deepens. That curved white shell, the Bushranger name proudly stamped on the side, the warm-toned windows hinting at a cozy interior. There's a proper door, real windows, and enough height to feel like more than a toy. It feels like someone asked, how small can freedom get? Now compare this to a traditional petrol camper van. Those beasts are loud, heavy, and always thirsty. This one feels silent, lightweight, and almost polite. Instead of dominating the road, it seems to flow with the surroundings. About 20 seconds in, here's the twist. This camper isn't trying to impress highways. It's whispering to back roads, parks, and slow mornings by the lake. It's not about speed, it's about presence. The pros become clear through the design alone. Compact size means easier parking and tighter turns. No visible exhaust, no fuel tank drama, just a clean electric trike setup. And that elevated cabin gives you shelter without excess. But let's be honest for a moment. This isn't for big families or long-distance highway runs. Space looks limited, storage is minimal, and power depends on battery range, and weather protection might test its limits in extreme conditions. Still, around the halfway mark, the emotion kicks in. This feels personal, like a camper made for one or two souls escaping noise. Where petrol vans chase destinations, this one invites you to slow down. It's less about miles and more about moments. Imagine rolling quietly into nature without waking it up. No engine rumble, no fuel stops, just you and the road. That's something traditional campers simply can't offer. And that's where this trike camper wins hearts. As we near the end, ask yourself this. Would you trade power and size for simplicity and silence? Would you choose a camper that blends in instead of standing out? Because this design clearly asks that question. So now I want to hear from you. Is this the future of camping or just a cool experiment? Would you live the slow electric camper life or stick with petrol giants? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm reading every single one.